Did you know? Search engines analyze billions of pages daily to determine which deserves to rank number one. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, we are breaking it all down for you. Welcome to SEO Unplugged. In this video, we will explore how Google and other search engines work. And trust me, it's a fascinating process. Think of it this way. Search engines are like digital librarians. They constantly scan the internet, collecting and organizing web pages into a massive index. When you search for something, Google doesn't search the entire web. It searches its index to find the most relevant results. But to get there, it relies on three critical steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Understanding these steps isn't just fascinating, it's essential for anyone looking to master SEO. Knowing how search engines work gives you the tools to optimize your website and rank higher. So let's break it down. Let's start with the first step in how search engines work: crawling. This is where it all begins. Crawling is the process where search engine bots, often called spiders or crawlers, visit websites to discover and explore content. Think of it as these bots surfing the web, following links, and uncovering new and updated pages to add to the search engine's massive index. But how do these bots decide what to crawl? Several factors influence this process. For instance, sitemaps are like a roadmap that guide bots to your site's important pages. Robot.txt files tells crawlers which areas of your website to explore or avoid. And the structure of internal and external links help them to navigate your site. Another important concept is the crawl budget, which is the number of pages a search engine will crawl on your site within a given time. Sites with clear navigation, updated contents, and strong authority tend to get crawled more often. But if your site has broken links, poor structure, bots might not find all your pages. Or worse, they might stop crawling entirely. Why is this important for SEO? If your website isn't crawlable, search engines won't even know your content exists, let alone rank it. This makes it crucial to optimize your crawlability with proper link structures, functioning sitemaps, and a correctly configured robot.txt file. Here is a quick tip. Use tools like Google Search Console to monitor how search engines are crawling your site. You can identify issues and make sure bots are exploring your content efficiently. Now that we have covered crawling, let's move on to the next step: indexing, where search engines organize all this discovered content. Indexing is the process where search engines store and organize the content they have discovered. Imagine a library. Crawling is like finding a book, while indexing is like cataloging that book, so it's easy to find it later. For search engines, this means analyzing the content of the web page: text, images, videos, and even metadata, and then categorizing it into their database known as the index. To get indexed effectively, your content needs to be relevant and well structured. Keywords play a huge role here. They help search engines understand what your content is about and match it to the search queries. But that's not all. Structured data like schema.org markup gives search engines additional context. For example, it can tell Google whether your content is a recipe, a product, or an event, making it easier for your pages to be categorized and displayed in search results. Here is a quick SEO tip. Use the search query site:yourdomain.com to check which pages on your site are indexed. This helps you identify any missing or duplicate content that might affect your SEO performance. And remember, not all pages get indexed. Factors like duplicate content, block pages in your robot.txt file, or incorrect meta tags can stop your content from being included in the index. Ensuring your content is indexable is critical for SEO. Clean up duplicate content, optimize your meta tags, and always use sitemaps to guide search engines. Now that we have covered crawling and indexing, let's dive into the final and the most competitive step, ranking. This is where search engines decide who gets the top spot. Ranking is the process of ordering web pages based on their relevance and quality for a user's query. Search engines use complex algorithms like Google's PageRank and RankBrain to determine which page deserves to appear first on the search engine's result page or SERP. Several factors influence ranking. Let's break down the most important one. Relevance. Your content must match the user's intent. Keywords, topic depth, and clarity all play a role. Authority. Search engines evaluate your credibility through backlinks and domain authority. The more high quality sites link to your content, the more trustworthy you appear. User experience. Page speed, mobile friendliness, and metrics like dwell time and click-through rates can make or break your rankings. This matters because higher your page ranks on the SERP, the more traffic you get. For example, the first position captures 25% of the clicks, while anything beyond the first page is often ignored entirely. Backlinking deserves a special mention. It's like votes of confidence from other websites. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your chance of ranking well. So, how do you improve your rankings? It starts with creating valuable, optimized content tailored to what your audience is searching for. Focus on user intent, earn credible backlinks, and make sure your website provides a seamless user experience. As search engine algorithms evolve, so should your SEO strategies. Ranking isn't a one-time effort, it's an ongoing process. With the right approach, your website can climb to the top. Next, we will combine everything to see how crawling, indexing, and ranking work seamlessly to power search engines. We have covered crawling, indexing, and ranking, the three steps that power search engines. Let's put it all together. First, search engines crawl the web, discovering pages through links and sitemaps. Then, they index the content by storing and organizing it in a massive database. Finally, they rank pages based on relevance, authority, and user experience, deciding what appears at the top of the search results. Understanding this process is the key to optimize your website. Improve crawlability by fixing technical issues like broken links and setting up sitemaps. Enhance indexability by creating unique, valuable content that search engines can easily categorize. And optimize for ranking by focusing on quality content, seamless user experience, and strong authority signals like backlinks. Use tools like Google Search Console to monitor crawling and indexing, and platforms like SEMrush and Ahrefs to analyze ranking factors and improve your strategy. By mastering these steps, you are not just optimizing your search engines, you are creating a better experience for your audience. And that's what a great SEO is all about. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. To wrap things up, we have explored how search engines work: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Crawling discovers your content, indexing organizes it, and ranking decides where it appears on the search engine results page. Understanding these processes is essential for improving your SEO. It helps you optimize your website for better visibility, higher rankings, and ultimately more traffic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to master SEO. Have questions about search engines or SEO? Drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching SEO Unplugged. See you in the next episode.